Hey everyone, today we're going to learn how to make this origami pterodactyl out of a square sheet of paper. So let's start. Alright, now if you have some coloured paper like I do, you want to take the final side facing downwards. So that's the side I want my model to be, so I'll have it facing downwards. Now first you want to fold the paper in the diagonal. So you just bring this down and you want to match both corners here. Now flatten. And now rotate the model towards you. You want to have this tip facing towards you. And now we're going to fold this corner to the other side. So you just pick it up and bring it, and you want to match the points, and also you want to make sure the edges align. And flatten. You want to be as accurate as you can in the first steps, because that's what's going to make your model as clean as you can. Alright, now you're going to tuck your finger inside. You want to tuck your finger inside here and fold this, so you want to bring it to the other side and then flatten. Alright, now turn the paper over. Now you want to take this point and bring it to the other side. And flatten, and now you want to open up this section and bring it, so you want to open up all the way and then flatten this, and you want to make sure this corner lies on this corner right there, and you want to make sure all the edges align, so like this one and then these two, because that's what's going to make an accurate model. Alright, now we're going to make a bird base. So the way you do this is you take this bottom edge, bring it to that middle crease. And then same thing on this side, so take this edge and bring it up to the middle crease. Now unfold, and you want to take this first layer of paper and bring it up all the way, and then once you've brought it up you want to fold this inside it. So that's called a petal fold, and we've already got the creases, so you want to do a valley fold here, another one there, and then you want to pinch the paper around that crease, along this crease right there. And there we go. Now we're going to fold this flap back down, and we're going to repeat the same steps on this side right there. Now we're going to fold this edge up to the middle crease and flatten, and then same thing here, take this edge and bring it up to the middle crease. Now unfold, and we're going to take this tip and bring it to the top. So you just take one layer as before and you bring it all the way up. And now we've completed the petal fold, and we're just going to fold this back down. Alright, now that we've got the base, we're going to fold these two edges to the middle crease. So just take this one, bring it to the middle crease. Same thing on the other side, take this and bring it to the middle crease. Now we're going to turn the paper over and repeat the same steps on this side. So take this edge and bring it to the middle crease. And then same thing with this edge that we're going to bring to the middle crease. Alright, now once we've done that, we're going to take this first layer here and bring it up. And then turn the paper over, and we're going to do the same thing here. So just take this point and bring it up. Alright, so now as you can see, these three tips are going to be the head and the jaw and everything, and these two are going to be the wings. So the way you do the wings is you take this flap and bring it up. You want to make sure that this edge aligns with that line here. So just like this, and then same thing on the other side, just bring this up. Alright, now unfold the pre-creases, and we're going to open up the model here, and we're going to bring that up. So the way you do this, you open this up and then you make a valley fold here, and then just close the layer. There we go. Same thing on the other side, open up, valley fold there, and then you just close the layer. Alright, now we've got our two wings, and we're going to fold the model in half. So you're going to close this just like that, and as you can see that razor, I'm just going to put it back down. Alright, now we're going to take this flap and bring it back. You want to make a valley fold, and there we go. And now we're just going to pinch this and pull the bottom jaw down. Just take it and bring the bottom jaw right down. There we go. So that's for the head section. That's done, and now we're going to take care of the wings. So how do we do the wings? Well, you want to, that's a pretty uncommon fold, so you're going to pinch this, and then at the same time you want to put your thumb underneath and your index above here, and you want to press all of this down. So you want to bring all of this down, and that will also allow us to have a thinner body. And that's it. And now we're going to fold the wings back up. There we go, same thing on the other side. And what this allows us to do is, first it makes the body thinner and the wings a bit bigger, but it also allows us to have some small legs here, as you can see. I've got two little legs that we can shape. I'm just going to pinch them. That's the first one, and there we go. So that's the leg detail done. And this is our origami pterodactyl. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.